I don't know the issue in terms of how his arraignment was dealt with. I do know that he was arrested and charged with harm. The matter was investigated by the major crime unit. I think initially it was being dealt with by the Belmopan station, but the investigation or the investigator was inexperienced in terms of investigating crime, and so the investigation was took over by the CID. I don't want to get into the merits of the case, but I will say that there were two witnesses on both sides. After the investigator concluded, the file was reviewed by our legal people, the legal advisor, and he was the one who advised in terms of what charge we believe we could prove. And that was the charge that ultimately Mr. Hulse was arrested for.
Sir, so the case was taken to a higher authority to interview, but the outcome of it was a smaller charge, and in addition to that, that more experienced investigator never went back and spoke to the victim.
Well, I wouldn't know whether or not that investigator went back. I wouldn't know because I didn't investigate. I'm telling you, you asked me, I'm telling you what I know.
So let's say he didn't go back. What, as a police officer with many years of training, a more senior investigator takes over the case, comes up with a lesser charge, but never re-interrogated the victim? What would you say about that?
I don't want to speculate as to whether or not he went or not. As I said, I haven't read the file. I would have to ask the investigator.